Updating your primary email on Amazon Prime is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Sign in. Go to the Amazon website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your current email address and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to your account. Once signed in, hover over the Accounts and Lists option at the top right corner of the page. Click on your account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Access login and security. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 4. Edit your email address. Locate the email section and click on the edit button next to your current email address. Enter your new email address in the provided field. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, click on the Save Changes button. You may be prompted to verify your new email address through a confirmation email sent to that address. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on Amazon Prime will be updated. Make sure to check your new email for any verification messages to finalize the process.